Hello and welcome to Popeye Hill. In the last video, we vacuumed the algae and dust material off the bottom of the pool. In this video, we continue the cleaning process. The ultimate goal is to make your pool sparkle. Throughout the entire process, it's important that the pool chemistry is balanced. This test shows that things are good to go. Some of the stuff on the bottom is not coming loose with the brush on this vac head. So what that means is I'm probably going to have to break out my regular pool brush and get in there and scrub that up pretty good. I switched out the vacuum head. I'm just got the regular brush on now. And what I'm going to do is try to scrub off that dust that kind of has settled on there and hardened in a way. And if this doesn't work, what I'll be doing is I'll be jumping in the pool with a hand brush and doing some diving down there to get that removed. That's the fun part. So once I got this scrubbed loose, I'm going to go up and get some Diatomaceous Earth, which is the pool filter aid, and it'll capture this stuff that's floating around in the water. The packing box this stuff comes in. They call it DE Media Filter Aid. This is what I use. I keep a batch in the box here, this old Cascade box, and I use about this much at a time. Now I'm going to sprinkle some in, and if you're not sure, I slowly sprinkle in the DE. This allows the material to spread evenly over the sand at the filter. Here's an illustration showing how the DE works in the sand filter. You can pause the video to take a closer look at the illustration. I've found that by using DE during the pool cleaning process, I don't need to use pool clarifier products. Now back to brushing. The brushing stirs up the particles that rest on the walls and the floor of the pool. Then the DE will work to filter those out. Now it's time to break out the pool robot. Not only does the pool robot clean up debris from the bottom of the pool, but it also has a couple of paddle bars that help remove the dust from the bottom and the sides of the pool. We're coming down the home stretch here. I noticed the pool has a slight greenish tint. That's algae, so I applied shock to the pool water. Shock is a granulated chlorine product. So I mixed up the shock solution and with eyeglasses and gloves on, apply it to the pool. This will wrap up the basics of opening a pool. Thanks for watching. See you next time here on Popeye.